Good morning, students. Today we are going to revise the first lesson of geography, India, location and its size. To find out where the places are located on the earth, we have imagined many lines on earth. They are imaginary line with the help of which we find out the location of any place on earth. We have divided earth into many parallel lines. The line which divides our earth into two equal halves, it is equator, and there are many parallel lines onward and downward from the equator, upward and downward from the equator. They are known as line of latitude. Many latitudes are there on earth, and with the help of that latitude we find out that area is how much in north or how much in south of the equator, and the area which lies downward, it is known as southern hemisphere. They lie in southern hemisphere, and many areas are there which are above the equator. They lie in the northern hemisphere. In this way, with the help of line of latitude, we find out how much degree is there of any place on the earth in north or in south. And with the help of latitude, we find out about area, how much north or south are there, the location of any place where they are located. But to find out about the place that how much east or west they are, for that we divide earth into again two halves, and it is Greenwich Meridian in London. That area is known as Greenwich Meridian, and it divides to the earth into two hemispheres, eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere, and many longitudes are there. With the help of that longitude, we find out how much east or how much west the areas are. In this way, the line of latitude and line of longitude are very useful for the location of any place. For our country, for India, our country India is above the equator. It is above the equator 8 degree 4 north to here it is 37 degree 6 north. The location, latitudinal location of our country is 8 degree 4 north to 37 degree 6 north. Then the location of our country eastward, it is beyond the Greenwich Meridian. It is in eastern hemisphere. There is a 5 hours differences from Greenwich Meridian to our country of sunrise. It is 68 degree 7 east longitude to it is 97 degree 25 minute east longitude. Between the longitude, our country lies is 68 degree 7 east to 97 degree 25 east. In this way, we find out about our latitudinal and longitudinal extent of our country. And in the east of our country, in southern eastern part, Bay of Bengal is there, and in southern area Indian Ocean is there, and in western southern area, Arabian Sea is there. It is surrounded by water from three sides. That is why it is known as peninsula. Tropic of Cancer divides our Earth. Tropic of Cancer divides our India into two equal halves. Here and the standard meridian of our country, it is 82 degree 30 minutes. It lies near the Mirzapur, and it is taken as a standard meridian of our country. When sun lies overhead in that area, at that time there is a 12 o'clock for our entire country. One question arises here, that why there is a 2 hours difference between sun rising in Arunachal Pradesh and in Gujarat. If sun rises here in Arunachal Pradesh at 4 a.m., then it rises in Gujarat at 6 a.m. 2 hours difference is there. It is due to the longitudinal difference of the area. 1 degree is equal to, it is 4 minutes. 1 degree is equal to, it is 4 minutes, and the difference between the longitude 97 degree 25 east to 68 degree 7 east, it is the reason why there is a difference of 2 hours in sun rising. When we subtract 97 degree 25 minute to 68 degree 7, it will be remain it is about 30 degree, about 30 degree. Then we multiply 30 by 40, it is 120 minutes. That is why there is a difference of 2 hours of sun rising in Arunachal Pradesh and in Gujarat.